You know, some of us have gardens that we have to mow the lawn all year round, and some of you are lucky enough that you only have to do it seasonally. In either case, it's really important for a really beautiful lawn to keep your mower in tip-top shape. Now, I myself keep a spare blade handy so that when the blade that I'm using currently gets dull, I can just switch it out. And the important thing about a sharp blade is if the blade is dull, it'll have a tendency to tear the grass and split the ends of the blades, just like your hair gets split ends if you haven't cut it properly. The other thing I like to do is keep it really clean underneath the deck. Be sure, first of all, that you unplug the spark plug, and if it's electrical, make sure it's unplugged as well. And just lift up underneath. As you can see, I've already taken the brush and cleaned out under here and gotten all this grass out of there. This tends to clog the blade and it interferes. Another thing with getting rid of all this ucky grass is that this has a tendency to spread seeds and disease to other parts of your lawn, and you don't want that. You want a nice, green, healthy lawn.